Welcome to the fourth lecture of isometric projection. Now in this lecture we are going to see the next problem on isometric projection. Now this view is given. Now let's see, as this view is above this view, so that's why this is the front view and this one is the top view. If two diagrams are given below to each other, then it is the front view and this one is the top view. And if two diagrams are given side by side, then one of may be front view and one of may be side view. So in this problem, this is the front view and this one is the top view. So in front view, there is the position of origin O. So first procedure is that we have to produce the isometric cube. So for that we have to check the dimensions. Now in front view, we can see the length and height. We can see the length and height. So here the length 75 is given and the height is 40 is given. So it's 75 by 40. This is the front view dimensions. Then top view. In top view we can always see the length and width. So length is 75 and width is 40. So this geometry of a size 75 by 40 by 40. So it is length, this is height and this is width. So we have to produce the cube of 75 by 40 by 40. Now let's see, as this O is over here, so when you producing the cube, now this is the O. So if we keep this diagram on this plane, so according to this diagram, the position of O will be here. Position of O will be here. So this is the wrong. So that's why we have to keep this diagram on this plane. So this plane we have to make of a length 75. Then this height is 40 and this width is 40. So how to produce this cube? So for producing this cube, just see here, we are drawn the horizontal line. Now on that line we are marked the point O. Now at an angle 30 degree, draw the line of a length 75. Then here at an angle 30 degree, draw the line of length 40. Now from this end point of the lines, draw the perpendicular lines of height 40. Now join these end points. Join this one. So this is of 40. Then join this one. So this is the 40. Now through this point, draw the parallel line to this line. Okay. So draw the parallel line to this line through this point. Now same, draw the parallel line to this line through this point. Draw the parallel line to this line through this point. Okay, here we have completed the cube. So when you draw the parallel line to this line through this point, so this line will intersect this edge. So this is the another corner point of the cube. So here we construct the cube of a given dimension. This is of 75, height 40 and this width is again 40. Okay, now we have to draw the isometric view. So for drawing the isometric view, what I have done here the raw cube here. Now replace these profiles on these planes. Now this profile will get replicate on this plane. So I am replicating that front view profile on this plane. So it should be like this. So this is the profile of front view. Then this is the top view. So replicate this profile on the upper plane. Now while replicating this view, firstly check the projection in front view and top view. Now let's see, this is the projection lines. Now this one. So it means that, let's see, this slot will refers to this figure. So it means that you take the position. So then this horizontal line and this square are in line with each other. And this is the square. Now when you project this rectangle in a polarization, so this rectangle will be for this inclined edge. So maybe this edge is the inclined one. So maybe this is the something like this, the diagram is there. So we have to produce this one. So let's see how to produce this one, starting from this one. So this is the origin O. Now its height is 10 mm. So measure the 10 mm distance. From this measure 10 mm. Join this one. Then produce this square. Now this square is here. Dimension is 10 by 10. So it is 10 mm. 10 mm. Draw the parallel line to this edge. Measure the distance 10 mm. Now to that line, to this line, draw the parallel line. So this is 10 by 10. It's very there. Now produce this one. So this height is 10. Join it by the front line because it has square slot. Here we have the square slot. So the square slot at a distance 25 mm from this O. So measure the 25 mm distance. To this point. To this edge. Now its depth is 10 mm. It is given here. So to this line, draw the parallel line. Of a length 1 centimeter. It has this depth is 110 mm. Now through this, now this is 35. This distance is 35. Now measure 35 distance. Mark one point here. Again measure 35 distance. So in this one. Now draw the parallel line to this line. Through this point, having a depth 1 centimeter. Join this one. Join this edge. Again join this edge. Now this is the slot, but this slot will not look like as a 3D. So what I am doing, draw the parallel line to this point and to the vertical line. So this will meet over here. Then again draw the parallel line. Now let's see, this rectangular slot will look like as a 3D. Always you have to draw the parallel lines to the all these three reference lines. Okay, now next I have to draw this one. So draw the parallel line through this point. Now let's see this distance, how much this one. So this is 75. Now this is 20 and this one is 35. So this 35 and maybe it lies at the middle of this edge. So this is 35 and this one is the 10. So it's 45. So 45 minus 75. So total distance from this corner of this slant edge, this one is 30. So from this point measure the 30 distance. On this line. Okay, then draw the parallel line to this one, parallel line to this edge on this one of a width 10. Now join this one. Join this one. Okay, so connect this one. Then draw the parallel line to this line through this point. Draw the parallel line through this point, through this point. So this will intersect this point, join this one. Okay, so this diagram is over. Now we can observe its front view and top view. So it should be same as given in the problem. So I am erasing this external cube. Join this one. Okay, so all of you can observe the front view and top view. So this is the front view and this one is the top view. So when observing the front view and top view, so this front view and top view of this diagram similarly like this. Okay, thank you for watching the video.